Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Outlook with Slack. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email and various integrations. Once the page loads and your inbox appears on screen, you're ready to begin the connection process. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find your quick access toolbar. This is where Microsoft keeps all your frequently used tools and features organized. Look for the More Apps icon in this menu and click on it. This icon opens up additional functionality beyond your standard email interface. Once you click it, a window will pop up showing you related Microsoft Office applications that integrate with Outlook. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice an Add Apps button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to expanding Outlook's capabilities by connecting third-party applications like Slack. After clicking Add Apps, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft app page. Give it a moment to fully load as it displays all available integrations. Once the page appears, you'll see a variety of applications that you can add to enhance your Outlook experience. To find Slack quickly, locate the search bar on the upper left part of the page. Click inside it and type in Slack, then wait for the search results to populate. This makes it much easier than scrolling through hundreds of available apps manually. When the results appear, look for the Slack icon. You'll recognize it by the Slack Technologies description underneath. Click on this icon to proceed. A small app overview window will pop up, giving you details about the Slack integration and what it can do for your workflow. From here, simply click the Add button to begin the installation process. Once you've clicked Add, the system will initiate the connection between Outlook and Slack. At this point, all you need to do is follow the login prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will ask you to authenticate your Slack account and grant the necessary permissions for the integration to work properly. This ensures secure communication between both platforms, and that's it. You've successfully connected Outlook with Slack, allowing you to streamline your communication and stay on top of messages across both platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.